Hey, we got ourselves a AP/AB question here. They're telling us that we have an even function, and they want to know which of these statements is false. So let's take a look at the first one. In the first one, we see the limit of f of x minus f of 0, and they're telling us that that equals 0. Well, let's first start by trying to break this up. Let's put a limit of the f of x, and then we'll put a minus, and we'll put a limit of the f of 0. So that is just us breaking up the limit into a subtraction of limits, which is supposed to happen as long as all of those limits exist. Well, let's take a look at the limit of f as x goes towards 0. So let's come at it from the left, come at it from the right, and both of those limits are 0, both the left hand and the right hand. Therefore, this actually is 0. And then for the other one, there's actually no x in here. So because there's no x, it doesn't matter what x is heading towards. So you can actually just ignore that and say it's f of 0. But f of 0 is 0 as well. It's the value of the function at x equals 0, which happens to be 0. A lot of zeros floating around here. But 0 minus 0 gets you 0. That means that this one checks out, so it's not the one that's false. So the answer is not A. But now let's take a look at B. On B, I'm going to make a slight change because this kind of looks like the limit definition of a derivative if there was a minus 0 down here. And I can stick in a minus 0. It wouldn't change what's going on the bottom. It would still equal x. But now what this is f prime of 0. Well, the derivative at 0, if we look at the, we got ourselves a pointy point. So that is not supposed to exist. But they're telling me that it's equal to 0. That is not true. So that's the one that is false. And now we're done.